Okay, we're going to do that again on the other side, as I said. We drew our little hat band, hair band, or it's actually a hair roll. We're going to, and then you just cut a little V cut in there, and you remove that. Same thing over here. All the way around it. And you got your little hair band, see? Nothing hard, nothing, pretty simple. Okay, now, let's go back here where our feather is. And of course, our feather's going to have to come down a little bit more anyway. It's going to have to, we're going to have to bring it down a little bit more. Because it's just not thin enough. Okay. Alright, now, on the feather, we also have a little band. And it's right up in here. If you look at the picture, there's a little band on the feather right there. So we're going to come up there to the top of the feather, we're going to draw a little band here, okay? And then we're going to extend it all the way around it. And we're going to do the same thing that we did on the hair right here. Take your knife, put a little pressure on it, and cut into there. And then come from the feather side, not the band side, and cut same thing here. Extend that out a little bit in there. And you've got your little band there. Feather's looking good. It is looking good. We want to take a little bit more off in this area. Thin that feather up a little bit more. Feather's not very big, but of course in this situation, I like that, see? Everything looking right. kind of look at your feather like that. Kind of look at it from both sides. You can tell what side may be too much or too little, and you have to take some off or whatever. Just look at it from a standpoint. Okay. Now let's kind of hit that a little bit. Get that just kind of smooth out. I'm just kind of smoothing out that hair a little bit before we put the V-tool on it. Thinning out that neck just a little bit. Okay, we're starting to really look good on this figure. Make sure that we've got enough taken off in here. I'll tell you what, it's really, I still need to take a little bit more off this feather here. It's still got too much on one side. I see when I take it, I look at, see if you look at it, it's still got too much on this side. Okay, so we'll take our knife and just cut off a little bit more, especially in this area here. Just kind of remove this in here. Okay, we're starting to really look looking good now. I'm going to round this up here on our, not round it, but I mean just kind of thin it up a little bit. Alright, she's starting to look good. Especially when we put the V-tool on the hair, then it'll be more distinguishable, of course, in that time. But I'm going to bring that neck down just a little bit more. Okay, we're getting looking good. We really are. We're really starting to look good. We can distinguish the amount of we really are starting to look good.